What if I told you this phone looks like a flagship, feels like a flagship, but doesn't cost like one? Meet the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, Samsung's latest mid-range phone that's here to seriously shake things up. Let's see if it's actually worth your money. Right out of the box, the Galaxy A56 feels premium. You're getting Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both sides, a solid aluminum frame, and a slim 7.4mm design that feels comfortable in hand. At 198 grams, it's well balanced, not too heavy, not too light. And with IP67 water and dust resistance, daily spills and splashes aren't a problem anymore. The star of the show is the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. It's bright, colorful, and super smooth thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate. Full HD Plus resolution and HDR support make videos pop, scrolling feels buttery, and gaming looks clean, all without paying flagship prices. Powering the phone is the Exynos 1580, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB fast storage. Day-to-day use is smooth, apps open fast, and multitasking is stress-free. No SD card slot, yes, but performance stays solid where it matters. On the software side, you get Android 15 with One UI 7, plus up to 6 years of updates. That's huge for a phone in this category. Camera-wise, there's a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro. Photos look great in good light, and Samsung's smart features make editing easy. The 12-megapixel front camera even shoots 4K video, perfect for reels and vlogs. Battery life, rock solid. The 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts all day, and 45 watts fast charging gets you back up quickly. You also get 5G, Wi-Fi 6 stereo speakers, and an in-display fingerprint scanner, though there's no headphone jack. The Galaxy A56 5G is a stylish, reliable, and future-proof mid-range phone that honestly feels more expensive than it is. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Samsung tips and reviews, and comment below. Would you buy the Galaxy A56 or not?